Welcome back to Dream Car Views, your ultimate destination for luxury vehicles and dream rides. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates. Many of you watch our videos but don't subscribe. So kindly, if you enjoy our content, hit that subscribe button and support us. Let's start from the front side of this masterpiece. The Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo Superior. Its panoramic windshield stretches wide like the cockpit of a private jet, giving it a futuristic appearance. The grille shines with the iconic emblem, while the sleek LED headlights and golden accents make it look bold, powerful, and unlike any other motorhome in the world. Moving to the back side, the design is equally breathtaking. Smooth curves flow elegantly across the body, highlighted with golden details. Sleek vertical LED taillights glow beautifully, giving it a modern and commanding road presence. From the back, it looks less like a motorhome and more like a luxury yacht on wheels. Step inside and the living room greets you with royal elegance. Plush leather sofas, a stylish coffee table, and a massive LED TV create the perfect space to relax. The panoramic windows and golden lighting give the whole area a warm, luxurious vibe, like sitting inside a moving palace. Next, the kitchen. This isn't just functional, it's stylish and elegant. Marble countertops, high-end appliances, induction cooktop, built-in oven, refrigerator, and glossy golden trim cabinets make cooking here feel like working in a luxury hotel kitchen. Now the bedroom. Imagine a king-size bed with premium bedding, golden side lamps, soft lighting, and wooden finishes. Large windows with curtains bring in natural light while maintaining privacy. It's a room that feels less like a motorhome and more like a five-star suite. Even the washroom is extraordinary. A glass shower cabin, modern sink with LED mirror, marble flooring, and golden fixtures give it the vibe of a personal spa. It's elegant, stylish, and perfectly designed for comfort. The Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo Superior is not just a motorhome, it's the definition of ultimate luxury. A combination of futuristic design, royal interiors, and unmatched comfort. Truly, it's a palace on wheels. Friends, if you enjoyed this journey into the world's most luxurious motorhome, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Dream Car Views, and press the bell icon. Many of you watch our videos regularly but don't subscribe. So please hit that button today and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching Dream Car Views. We'll be back soon with another luxury masterpiece. Until then, take care and keep dreaming big.